Have you ever wondered how to make money in the IT business? Well, it's a question that has crossed many minds, as the potential of this industry is undeniably vast. The IT business, a realm where technology and commerce collide, has grown exponentially over the past few decades. It's become a fertile ground for entrepreneurs, a lucrative field filled with opportunities waiting to be seized. The beauty of the IT business is that it isn't exclusive to tech gurus or software prodigies. Anyone armed with the right knowledge, the right skills, and a dash of ingenuity can tap into this potential. From developing groundbreaking applications to offering indispensable IT services, the paths to profitability are as diverse as they are abundant. Yeah, the key, however, lies in understanding the steps to making money in this field. It's not just about having an idea, it's about realizing it, nurturing it, and steering it towards success. Understanding the steps to making money in this field is crucial for any aspiring entrepreneur. So, how does one make money in the IT business? First off, it's important to understand that the IT industry is vast and diverse. You could earn your living by providing IT services, developing software, selling hardware, or creating digital products. Each of these paths requires different skills and resources, but they all start with the same fundamental step: identifying your niche. The IT industry is a crowded one, but that doesn't mean there isn't room for you. It just means you need to find the right corner of it. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? What does the market need? And these are the questions that will help you identify your niche. Once you've done that, you're ready to move on to the next step. Building a team with relevant skills is crucial. You might be a jack of all trades, but you can't do everything yourself. And you need a team that can complement your skills and help you deliver the best service or product possible. This team could include software developers, IT consultants, marketing professionals, and more. The key is to ensure that each team member shares your vision and is committed to making it a reality. In summary, making money in the IT business involves a few crucial steps. It's like baking a cake. You've got to have the right ingredients in the right quantities, mixed in just the right way. The first step is finding your niche. Like an explorer seeking out uncharted territories, you need to discover that unique area in the IT industry where your skills and passions shine brightest. Next, you need your crew, your dream team of skilled individuals who will help you navigate the sometimes turbulent waters of the IT world. These are the people who will turn your vision into reality, one line of code at a time. Finally, don't forget the icing on the cake, marketing your offerings. You've got to let the world know about the fantastic services you provide. Remember, even the tastiest cake won't sell if it's hidden in the back of the bakery. The IT industry is a land of opportunities, ripe for the taking. With the right approach, making money in the IT business can be a very rewarding journey. So, are you ready to dive in?